Alright, so top 10 things to do when you're in an exam and you're finished. Number 1, check over your paper. 2, check over your paper again. 3, visualize what you were doing in the class at the time. 4, try to remember the page that the answer is on. 5, drink some water. Hydration usually improves memory. 6, count how many spots are in the paint on the wall. 7, sharpen your pencils over and over and over. 8, put your fingers in your ears and imagine what it would feel like to be deaf. 9, find every O, every 0, every B, P, D, Q, G, generally every circular letter that you can find or circular number, and then you shade the circle, not like blue or black ink. And my personal favorite, stare at the fan until you can slow it down and speed it up. And if all else fails, count how many bubblegum are on the table.